Yeah.
Is this the last one?
I think so.
Wow.
Alright, guys, we're gonna...
See, does that hurt?
No, but quit it.
Funny.
Alright, guys, we're starting on our second one. This is gonna be the first round that we're filming. It's gonna be Blake against Joel, or is it gonna be... Jacob, are you playing this round? Alright, it's Blake against Joel. Blake. Joel over at the fort. Hey, Blake! And Blake's gonna be moving up on Joel.
This is almost dead too.
Yeah. Here, bring him back to the house and ask my mom for new batteries and stuff. You can see the BB's not going as far. Hey, come on.
They go far. It's not as far.
Not as far as it is when they got new BBs. Yeah. I'll blow the whistle when I'm ready. I'll blow the whistle to start the round. And yeah. Ow!
He's gonna be hurt.
Yeah, but it only hit that one time. He got my funny bone. Sorta. Ah!
So there it hurts.
Barely.
I just shot him in the back.
You did? Alright. Quit shooting me!
I'm just shooting you in the butt.
I know, but you're wasting my ammo.
Didn't you
All right.
say it costs like $15 for 10,000?
Alright. Go. Alright.
Just shoot you in the glasses and go, oh! I don't have glasses.
I know.
Alright, go ask my mom for some stuff.
You'd rather have that thing shot than this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna shoot at the edge of your jacket.
No.
Edge of your jacket.
Ah, crap. Medic!
Okay, come on.
Alright, go ask my mom for some batteries. Quit it!
I thought you said it didn't hurt.
It did at 0.0. Move!
Okay, let's start this.
Ah! That was my funny bone, man.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah. Ah, quit it!
Don't you dare.
You back away
Back away.
and stop shooting Benjamin.
I will.
Okay. 3, 2.
I thought you said it didn't hurt, boy.
Yeah, when you shoot me in the spine, it does.
3,
Well, that was a lucky
2,
I'm done.
1. Jacob, just go ask my mom for new batteries.
Okay.
Why are you camping at me?